The lady got out of that car. Yep. The lady got out the car this time. She said, oh no. And no people in that car.
Yeah, I mean, they probably told her they could.
That's all right. That's how the bus was supposed to come through the first time.
Push over. Oh, now that you're right. Push over.
I don't know what the bus scared of. He can't get flooded out. His exhaust is on the top of the roof.
That's right. He's okay.
Yep, here come two of them.
Oh,
Yeah, here.
is that their bag?
No, that's somebody's shirt.
Okay. I was about to say have the water push that out.
Well, with whatever the electronics getting wet, there's a possibility that can happen.
Hey, what happened to the top of that bus?
I don't know. It doesn't look good, does it? Oh, Lord, I gotta pee.
Where the 18-wheeler at? Jeez.
That's 4 cars.